I want to quickly compare the Trtl Travel Pillow to the Cabeau Evolution X. These are two really nice travel pillows for completely different reasons. Now, I love the Trtl because it packs super small and it holds my neck up at a very high angle. I love the Cabeau Evolution X because it feels so wonderful on, and it prevents my head from tipping in any direction more than 10 degrees. It's also super soft. Now, the Trtl does come with a bag, the Cabeau does not, and the Trtl really does have a perfect name, as it reminds me of a lovely turtleneck. All you do with this one is you put it on the side of your head, whichever side you want, and then you're just going to wrap it around, and then you'll take this Velcro and hook it. And as soon as you have it hooked, that's where you have it, and then you can lean in that direction. You can have it on both sides. You can swap this up as much as you want, make it tighter or looser. I personally actually love sleeping with it covering my mouth, as it just makes it way more comfortable to me. So I will sleep like this. And I find that this is exceptionally comfortable for me. Right now, it's a little too loose. I can feel that. So I make it a little bit tighter and just make sure it really hooks in, and then we're good to go. This is a really nice travel pillow. My issues with it, however, are that it has this very loud Velcro, so it can be a little embarrassing in the middle of everyone sleeping to yank this off if you need to go to the bathroom. It's just loud, and it is limiting. Since you have to adjust it to each side, it means you really do have to undo that Velcro and redo it when you want to swap it. But another pro to this one is that it's super lightweight, and it packs so tiny. It really is just a piece of plastic in there with some padding on each side wrapped in this fleece wrapping. Simple in concept, but brilliantly executed, and I love that it comes with this travel bag. Now, the Cabeau Evolution X does not come with a bag, and it doesn't pack too small, but it is quite light, and this is exceptionally comfortable. Now, this one has 3 different ways you can adjust it. It actually has a Velcro strap in the back that makes it so you can tighten the whole neck portion to make it fit your neck tightly. And then when you put this one on, you'll just wrap it around, and then you'll put this through the latch, make sure it hooks, and then you can just pull it tight just like that and make it as tight as you want. And then once it's on, these are hard plastic elements that are both breathable and extremely supportive. They are wrapped in the memory foam, and you can actually tilt these pillows down or up, which will change the way it supports you, which is super nice. And once you have this one on, you can go to either side or forward, and your head is not going to move too much, especially if you have it really tight. I will probably tighten the neck a little bit more on this one for me, but I love this. It is so comfortable and inviting, a really nice travel pillow. And when it comes to the travel pillows like this that go around your neck, another thing I really love about this Cabeau Evolution X is, thanks to these hard parts, it actually is raised a little bit more, so you're not gonna just flop over it like you can with many of them. That said, that is one of the things I love most about the Trtl, is there's no possibility of flopping over the top because it is so tall. Though I did have a friend tell me they did not like this pillow because they are a small person and it was too tall for them. So another thing to keep in mind with the Trtl is, if you are smaller in stature, this one probably won't work for you. But with that, these are 2 amazing travel pillows. I think you would be happy with either one. It just really depends, in my opinion, whether you have the space for a larger travel pillow or if you're packing really light.